Thank you. Okay, this is Popeye. Yeah, right now. Okay, Popeye will spell a word, name of birds. So we are going to show you three pictures here and audience. You need to put which picture that you like. Okay, let's start with macaw first. Okay, macaw. Anybody like macaw? You can raise your hand. How many? Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6. Okay. Next, we have stork. How many like stork? Nobody. 1. And 2. Me. Okay. And the last one, eagle. How many like eagle? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I think that's 8. Alright, eagle. That's one. Yeah, let's go with eagle. Okay. So, Papa, are you ready to spell eagle? Relax your mind first. Relax, don't be nervous. Fast and fast only, okay? Birds of prey. So as you can see here, we have different letters here. So Papa will choose, will pick based on the word eagle. Papa, are you ready? Okay. Concentrate first, Papa. Look at the word there. Focus. Yes. Okay, I think you can do it. Come on. Okay, come on. Let's start. Okay, we have the first letter E. Yeah, well done, Papa. Good job. Continue. And then A. Okay, well done. Next one. Right. Okay, we have L. Okay, it's one of the letters, correct? Eagle, the word is eagle, and then next one, G. Yeah, good job. Okay, now last one, bye-bye. Where is it? Where is it? Yeah, E. Well done. Wow, so clever. Okay, everybody, eagle. Thank you.